Hello. I was just cleaning the toilet and thought to myself, wow, what if we could have the excitement and jubilation of a hockey player scoring a goal every single time we did our little day-to-day household tasks? And that's when I had the idea for this new series, Real Life Goal Horns. Enjoy. God. Sweet. Got it on the first try. Alright, let's go check. Yep, that's it. It's the perfect parking job. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Well, at least it's clean. You know we're the biggest Yotes fans ever. Going to away games too. What the hell is this stuff? Sock with no match. Sock with no match. Sock with no match. Oh my gosh. 2 socks that match. Hey Max, get your laundry. I'm running the load before I leave. Make sure you check the pockets this time. Got this one. Something. Oh, yo, we got some change in the pockets. Yellow into yellow, and we should have Wi-Fi here in a second. Alright, and connect. Heck yeah, connected on the first try. Hello? Hey, happy birthday. That's 100 cat years, right? Yeah, for sure. For sure. Alright, that's it. Just want to give you a shout. Yep. Have a good one. Aha, remembered their birthday this year. Yo! Finally did it! Finally did it! Got past the first round. Yep. First clean driveway in the neighborhood. God, that book sucked. Finished it though. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. The lights worked. The lights worked on the first try. The lights worked on the first try.